Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and it's almost time for Samsung's next event where they release their next generation of foldables, the new Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. And one thing I want to go over is how happy I've been with the Z Fold 4. I've had the Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4, and I want to go over and talk about one thing that would make me switch back to a flip, whether that be the Z Flip 5 or the Razr Plus 2023, and that is the outside display. The outside display on the Razr Plus is awesome. I like the fact that you can have that little display, just get some quick things done on there, kind of like this one where you can just use your cover display. But I mean, this one's basically full-on candy bar phone on the outside. But the small form factor of a flip is still nice to have. So with that cover display on the Razr, it's very nice. If they bring that to the Flip 5, I may just have to trade this in and switch back to a flip. I was planning on maybe getting a Fold 5, maybe keeping the Fold 4. For another year, or till the Fold 5 gets cheaper, just depending on what they upgrade this year. If it's going to look the exact same, function the exact same, stuff like that, probably just keep this one. We'll have to see what kind of hardware it gets. If it gets the 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, maybe a worthwhile upgrade just for the battery life alone, because that really helped the battery life on the S23 Ultra over the S22 Ultra. So I'm figuring if they do that for the Fold, it may do the same as the Flip. Hopefully it gets the same hardware, but we'll have to see. But if they do that on the Z Fold or the Z Flip 5, that may be the game changer right there for Samsung and the Flip series. If they don't, well, might be going to Motorola, but that's my opinion. Got that event coming up soon here in July. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.